We are proceeding from where we got. I'm done with the paragraph, so I want to add forms. So we'll apply the concept that we got in forms, how to create form in HTML. We are going to apply that concept here. So that one too, the moment you enter forms, then you type your heading. So the heading this time around, the form, this is the third heading. So I will type H3, then type log in here. That's the heading 3. Then type input. So the input type, I'll type email. Then name. So for the name too, I'll type email. Then type placeholder. So for the placeholder, I will type enter email here. So that's what the placeholder does. So I will create another input type, and that one will be for password. You can copy the email on, then change it to password. So here I'll use the BL to separate the password from the email, the input type for the email. So here, the email, the input type for the email and the password are too close. So I would like to give a gap. So it is the BL that I'll use to create that gap. So I'll just copy the BL, then duplicate it. So I'll copy the BL, then paste. And so when you enter only one BL over there, even though it will create space, but the gap there won't be it won't be wide. So to make it wide, you type it 2 times. So that's how the thing goes like. So here I'll type .cna, then enter the test decoration none. So that's for the login. So I don't want to see any underline over there, the sign up rather. And so I will change the color of the login to black. So I'll move on to the form. As for the form, you won't add any dot. You will just type form, then you set for the size and the width and the height. So the width is 250 pesos and the height I will set 380 pesos. So here you can't see anything over here unless I set a background color before you see the actual size of the form. So I'll select background color, then I'll choose black. So here you could see a black background has been set for the form. So the width and the height that I set was for the size of the background. Then the position, I'll select absolute. So that is that. So what is left for me is to set for the position. So as usual, I will set it to the top, 120 pesos. Then the margin, so I'll type left, then for the left I'll enter 900 pesos. So the moment I enter 900 pesos for the left, it has been shifted to the left side of the web page. And the border ratio, and that one will be for the background of the form. So the border ratio is 10 pesos. Then move on to padding. So the padding too, I'll type 25 pesos. So I'll shift it for you to see. So that's how the thing be like. So we are gradually adding a form to our web page. So it's up to us to modify it. So we are done for here. So I'm going to use the CSS document to modify it. So I'll go to the CSS, then use it to modify it. Okay, actually it's the CSS that I'm using. So right now it's up to me to change the font size and also set for the distance, add some element, social media icons and other stuff. So I'll go to button again. So this time around the button I'll type .btn a, then brackets, then press on the enter key, then type text decoration. I will select none. That one will be for the login. So for the login, I don't want to see any underline over there. So the moment we enter text decoration, then we select none and it will remove the underline over there, and the font color to I'll set for black. And the font weight I'll set for bold. So that is that. So I'll set for margin top 30 pixels. So the font size is 15. Okay, let me change it to 25 pixels. The 25 is too big, so make I do it 20 pixels. So change the 20 is okay, or I should do it 18.